In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Youfoodz deals. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Youfoodz discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this deal with up to 25% discount off your next order, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show coupon code. And here is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this promo code on the next purchase in order to get this up to 25% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called wordcredit.com. And as you can see right here on this website, you also have some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts right here. So for example, if you want to get this one, let's say with a 50% discount off any order, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show code. And right here, this is the promo code that you can simply copy, and if you use this promo code, you get the 50% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.